Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's not really a review or such, but I just wanted to share with you this little wagon that I picked up. It's the Walter Scott and Middleton Limited. It's a 3-plank wagon. It was £7 from Hatton's. Part numbers R6576. And obviously, as I say, it's not a review. I'm not going to talk through it and about it. It's just a little 2-minute video just to show you this little wagon I picked up. Lovely little wagon. Because I think a lot of the time this stuff gets overlooked. And a picture is great, but especially with this little wagon, seeing it is even better. It looks absolutely fantastic. I really do like it. One of my favourites. I've got quite a collection of wagons going on now, but definitely this is one of my favourites. I'm going to run it with the Peckett logo when I get round to buying one, I think. I put that off long enough, but as you can see, nicely presented, nice bit of detail, metal wheels as you would expect. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to show you this today. You don't need me to talk through it. I'm pretty sure you know what you're looking at. And I think it's part of Hatton's Easter deals. I picked up a few other items while I was doing it, and I was in the bargain section and I saw this and I thought, that'll be nice. So it turned up today, and it's even better than I thought it was going to be. So I decided to buy some nice new stuff after all my problems with eBay recently. I've gone back to buying some nice new items. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you'll enjoy. And if you want to support the channel with a like and a subscribe, that would be brilliant. I know a lot of people have seen a lot of Thomas stuff I've done recently, but don't worry, I'm still doing the normal stuff. So hopefully I'll see you in the next one.